Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Ahmed and I'm so excited to have you here with me today. As a civil engineer myself, I'm so passionate about staying up to date on the latest trends and innovations in our field. I believe that digital transformation is essential to the future of civil engineering. I'm so excited to share my knowledge and insights with you. If you are new here, I'd like to give you a warm welcome and thank you for stopping by. I hope that you will find a value in my content that I create and that you will enjoy being part of our community. On this channel, you can expect to learn topics about building information modeling, BIM, or Geographic Information System, GIS, drones, and other cutting-edge technologies that are transforming the way we work. I'll be sharing tips, tutorials, and case studies to help you stay ahead of the curve and make the most of these tools in your own practice. You may be a graduate or still a student of civil engineering, or maybe you are already joined the industry, but you are looking for more skills and explore more potentials. Well, here are 5 software can make civil engineers go digital. The first package is the computer-aided design or CAD software that allows civil engineers to create 2D and 3D designs of buildings, bridges, roads, and other infrastructure projects. With CAD, engineers can generate detailed plans and drawings that can be easily shared with colleagues and contractors. The second group is the Building Information Modeling or BIM software that allows civil engineers to design and manage the entire life cycle of a building project. With BIM, engineers can create detailed 3D models of buildings and structures and collaborate with other members of the project team in real time. The third group is project management software. Project management software such as Microsoft Project or Primavera can help civil engineers plan, schedule, and manage construction projects. With these tools, engineers can track progress, manage resources, and communicate with stakeholders throughout the project lifecycle. The fourth group is the GIS software or Geographic Information Systems, such as ArcGIS or QGIS, can help civil engineers analyze and manage geographic data related to infrastructure projects. With GIS, engineers can create maps, visualize data, and perform spatial analysis to inform decision making. Fifth group, the structural analysis software, such as SAP 2000 or ETABS, can help civil engineers design and analyze the structural components of a building and other infrastructure project. With these tools, engineers can simulate various load conditions and test the strength and stability of a structure before construction begins. Again, thank you for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from me. I can't wait to see you again soon. Until next time, take care and keep exploring. Thank you.